Mastering Discussions and Negotiations. C1 Business Higher English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of business communication. We'll focus on a very crucial skill: participating in discussions and negotiations. By mastering this, you can shine in the BEC Higher Speaking exam and also thrive in real-world business settings. To have meaningful discussions, you need to be clear, concise, and confident. Remember these key points. Listen actively before responding. Always make sure you understand the other person's viewpoint. Use clarifying questions. If something isn't clear, don't hesitate to ask. Stay relevant. Stick to the topic to avoid any unnecessary diversions. Negotiation is not about winning but finding a mutual agreement. Here are some strategies to keep in mind. Prepare in advance. Know your goals and the possible outcomes. Build rapport. Establish a good relationship with the person you are negotiating with. This helps in fostering trust. Concede slowly. If you're giving something up, do so gradually, and ensure you're getting value in return. Seek win-win solutions. The best negotiations leave both parties feeling satisfied. When participating in business discussions and negotiations, it's useful to have some common phrases up your sleeve. Here are some to get you started. I see where you're coming from, but have you considered? What if we compromise by, I understand your concerns. How about let's find a middle ground. It's always beneficial to practice in realistic scenarios. So, create mock situations with a partner. For instance, 1. Role-play a business meeting where both of you present different proposals. 2. Negotiate a business deal. One person is a seller, the other a buyer. Remember, the goal is to practice your communication skills, so focus on clarity, politeness, and effective negotiation tactics. Participating effectively in discussions and negotiations is a vital skill, not just for the BEC Higher Speaking exam, but for the world of business at large. With practice and the right techniques, you'll be a master in no time. Hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and keep communicating.